All right, boys and girls, welcome to day 4 of daily math. All right, so we've got our first problem here. It says the area of the top of a rectangular table is 323 square feet. If the length of the table is 19 feet, what is the width of the table? All right, so I'm going to go to my notebook for this. And I am now trying to find the area or one of the lengths of the area to a rectangular tabletop. So I'm going to reread the question. It does say the area is 323 square feet. I know that one side length is 19. I need to figure out the other one. So what do I know about area? I know that area equals length times width. So I'm going to fill in what I know. I know that one side length is 19. I need to figure out the W, and I know the area is 323. So 19 times what gives me 323? Well, the easiest way to solve this is to do division. All right, so I'm going to look at the first two numbers, 32, because the 3 is too small. So how many times does 19 go into 32? So I know it can go at least once, but can it go twice? What's 19 times 2 or 19 plus 19? That's 38, so that's too big. So I'm going to put a 1 here. All right, now I multiply. 1 times 19 is 19. And then I just simply subtract. Okay, so this 3 becomes a 2, the 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 9 is 3, and 2 minus 1 is 1. 13, bring down your 3. All right, so how many times does 19 go into 133? All right, so I'm going to have to just go over to the side. I don't know that as an answer automatically. So I'm going to start with 19 times 1 is 19. And then I also know that 19 times 2 is 38. 19 times 3, and you can use a calculator on this if you'd like, is 57. 19 times 4 is 76. 19 times 5 is 95. 19 times 6, we're getting close, is 114. Let's see if we can do one more. 19 times 7. Perfect. 19 times 7 is 133. Ding, ding, ding. That matches. So it can go in there 7 times. So 19 times 7 is 133, and I get 0. So my missing side length is 17. So 17 feet. So the W equals 17 feet. All right, I'll see you tomorrow for day 4. Oh, no, we are on day 4. I'm so sorry. That was just the first problem. Oh, that took a long time. All right, so let's go to the second problem for day 4. It says write the number in word form. So our number is 841,504. So we have to write that in word form. So if you say it correctly, you just write the words that you say. So we're going to start with the first three numbers. So 841. So 841. And then when we see that comma, we have to write the word thousand, comma. And now we write the next three numbers, 504. So 504. So 841,504. All right, let's look at our multiplication problem. 75 times 36. All right, so we're just going to do the 6 first. So 5 times 6 is 30. Carry your 3. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 3 is 45. So our first number is 450. Add your 0. Now we're going to do the 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry your 1. Cross off that 3. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 1 is 22. So our second number is 2,250. Add those together. 0, 10, carry your 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Bring down your 2. So you should have gotten 2,700. All right, it says write the equation. Grace saw 16 bird habitats at the zoo aviary. The sign said each habitat had 12 birds. How many birds were in the aviary in all? All right, so I'm going to go to my notebook for this one. All right, so we know that she saw 16 birds in each habitat. We also know that she saw 12 birds in each habitat. And we also know that there were 16 habitats. So I'm going to draw a picture of this. Okay, I have 16 habitats. Each habitat had 12 birds. It's a lot of birds. We have to figure out how many birds she saw all together. Okay, so an equation that we could write would be 16 times 12. And then we're going to solve it. So 6 times 2 is 12. Carry your 1. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So our first number is 32. Add your magic 0. 1 times 6 is 6, and 1 times 1 is 1. Add those together. 192. So there were 192 birds. All right, I will see you next week for more daily math.